We'll guide you through how to publish a Roblox game. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. When a Roblox game is published, this means others can go and play it and they can go and join the game and start using it. So we're going to walk you through this step by step. Make sure this is full guide as we're covering everything you need to know, as there are different steps you need to go through. So what I've done here is I've just gone and created a brand new game in Roblox or an experience. It's just blank and it's just the example. So in Roblox Studio, you need to go to the top left. You want to go and press File, go down, and you need to find the option Save to Roblox As, and you can click there. Then what we can do is go and press Create New Experience in the bottom left. You can go and give this a name. So I'm going to name this GuideRealm Publish. You can then go and add a description. So you can go and add in what you need to. See the creator here, and then what you can do is go down and check the rest of this out. Then what you can do is just go and press enter like so, and shortly it should go and save. Just go and be patient. There, it did take a few seconds, but just go and wait. Now that it's reloaded, you can continue making changes, and what you can do is make sure you press file and go and press save to Roblox whenever you go and do something. Now what we need to do is come to the Roblox site, so I'm already here in a web browser, but what you can do is go and open up your browser and come to Roblox. We need to get to the create page, so go and press create at the top. Alternatively, you can head straight to create.roblox.com. Let me press start creating. It's going to ask me to open up Roblox Studio. Let me just press cancel here for now, close this and just go and refresh the page. You may need to go and remove the landing in the URL if it won't go and take you here. Now what you need to do is come over to the left and you can go and find the option for creations and come into my experiences, and you can find the one that I just went and made. As you can see here, it is here. So what you can then do is go and hover over it and you can go and click on it. Now you want to come over to the left, and in configure, you can go and find the option for settings. Now you can go down. For people to go and start joining it and be able to go and play it, you need to come into privacy and you can go and select public like so. Now, if you scroll down, you can't go and press save changes. What you need to do is it will go and say this experience is not yet eligible for public access. You need to press learn more. Now what we need to do is we need to go and meet at least one of their prerequisites. So we can press manage to the right. So as you can see, we need to go and do one of these. So I'm going to press verify ID, and then I can come down here and I'll come down to here and I'll press continue with ID like so. Enter in your email. Now I can use the camera to go and verify your birthday. I'll press continue here. Choose your country and press continue. You can then choose one of these. I'll use my driver license. I'll click there. I'm going to continue on another device. I don't have a webcam. Then what you can do is go and scan this with your phone. Choose the ID you're going to use. I'll set my driver license and press continue. And you can then go and open up the camera and you can go and scan and take the photo. You then need to go and scan your face to go and show it's you in the ID. Now what I can do is press OK. We've gone and successfully verified that. Now you can come back here. So now what we can do is we can go and press back, and then you can go and scroll down again, and we'll need to go and try setting it to public. Press learn more. You can now see we're eligible here, and now we need to go and add in the maturity label. So press manage, and you need to go and complete this here just to go and confirm the maturity for your game. So you can read this through, I already have, and you can press start at the bottom. I just went through this in depth, but what you'll need to do is go through each one of these, and you need to go and read this through and go and confirm whether this is in the experience. So for example, here we have violence. Read this through. In my case, no applies. So I'll press no, and then we can do the same thing for blood. You go and get the idea. So go through each one of these and you can select it. You would have seen in mine that mine was really just an example. So the game isn't very advanced, so it doesn't really contain any of this stuff. Just make sure you read it through and then you go and select the answer. And then at the end, Roblox will go and give your game the maturity rating, which is needed in order to go and make it public. I've already gone through this, but I'll help guide you through. Just make sure you read it all through and fully understand it. And then you can go and press continue at the bottom. Then if you're sure about all of this, you can go and press submit at the bottom, and you can go and wait. And as you can see, it's now been successfully completed. You can then come back to the left and go and press settings. And we can then scroll down here and you can select public. You can now see we can change it to public. So we can scroll down, and at the bottom, you can press save changes. And it's now been saved successfully. Now what we can do is test if people can go and join. So what you need to do is go to the top left and press the three dots, and you can go and press view on Roblox. If you find that it says unavailable, don't worry. What you need to do is go to the top right here, and you can go and press edit in studio if you went in close studio. What you need to do is go to the top left and you can go and press file, go down, and you need to go and press publish to Roblox. Go and wait and it'll then go and be published. Just get a few seconds. And then what you can do is come and return. It'll go and say changes published at the bottom. And you can go and refresh the page or even go and close it. Press the three dots in the top left and then press view on Roblox. And that play button should now go and be available. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.